Exploring the phrase, hit a growth spurt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, hit a growth spurt. This phrase is common in everyday English, especially when talking about personal development or changes. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll explore some examples to help you incorporate it into your conversations. Let's get started. Hit a growth spurt refers to a sudden and rapid period of growth, especially noticeable in children and teenagers during puberty. However, it's not just limited to physical growth. This phrase can also metaphorically apply to any area of life where there's a quick and significant improvement or development, such as in skills, business, or personal projects. 1. Physical growth. The most common context you'll hear this phrase is when discussing children or adolescents who suddenly get taller or bigger over a short period. Parents and teachers often use it. 2. Personal skills. Imagine someone's abilities in a sport, hobby, or academic field significantly improving in no time. That's a growth spurt, too. 3. Business and projects. When a business experiences a sudden increase in growth, in terms of profits, expansion, or customer base, we might say the business has hit a growth spurt. My son hit a growth spurt last summer and grew 4 inches taller. After practicing every day for months, I finally hit a growth spurt in my piano skills. Our small bakery hit a growth spurt during the holiday season, doubling our sales. When you want to use hit a growth spurt, think about the context. Is it a physical change, a skill improvement, or a business growth? Once you've determined that, incorporate the phrase to describe the rapid development. Remember, it's usually used to express surprise or highlight the speed of this growth. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, hit a growth spurt. We hope this video helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your conversations. Whether it's to describe a sudden leap in height or a rapid improvement in skills, you now know how to convey this exciting form of growth in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to unlock the secrets of the English language together.